Hello, and thank you for joining us. This is the October 2020 project presentation video for the City of Flagstaff's upcoming Coconino Estates Improvements Phase 2 project. In this video, we will go over the project's location and the project's goals, how the project is funded, what the estimated costs are, and our current schedule. We will inform you of the proposed improvements and their benefits. We will also introduce you to the project team and let you know how to stay connected throughout the project. The project is located on Crescent from Meade to Talkington, on Navajo Drive from Elizabeth to Talkington, on Talkington from Meade to Crescent, along Talkington side streets including Hazel, Thelma, Davis, and Louise, on Elizabeth from Navajo Drive to Talkington, and on Meade from Crescent Drive to approximately the Rio de Flag. The goal of this project is to upgrade the existing utility and roadway infrastructure that is in need of repair on all streets indicated within the project limits. The Crescent Drive and Navajo Drive portions of the project, indicated in red, are funded by the Road Repair and Street Safety Sales Tax, also known as Prop 406. These streets qualify to receive utility and roadway improvements due to their existing pavement overall condition index being at 50 or below on a scale from 0 to 100, and their existing utilities needing repair or replacement due to size, material, age, and/or consistent maintenance. The Talkington Drive side streets, Elizabeth, and Meade portions of the project, indicated in green, are funded by the annual waterline and sewer line replacement programs, which was identified as a proposed project by the city's Water Services Department. It was decided to combine the two projects with the two separate funding sources to take advantage of the cost savings by delivering both projects at the same time given their proximity to each other. The construction of the project is estimated to cost $6 million. Our design of the project is currently 90% complete. This is a very large-scale project and will be built over 2 construction seasons. Construction is anticipated to start in the spring of 2021 for roughly the Crescent and Navajo portions of the project, and in 2022 for roughly the Talkington and Talkington side streets portion of the project, with the entire project completed by the fall of 2022. The project can generally be described as a utility and roadway improvements project. The utility improvements that will take place on essentially the entire project limits generally consist of replacing the existing water main, water services including a new water meter box, sewer main, sewer services including a new cleanout near the property line, fire hydrants, and manholes. However, there are a few locations throughout the project that have exceptions to replacing all existing utilities. The first exception is on Meade Lane from Crescent Drive to the Rio de Flag, where we will only be replacing the existing 2-inch water main and services. The second is on Crescent Drive just north of the Rio de Flag, where a new sewer main will be installed. The third is on Elizabeth Road from Navajo Drive to Talkington Drive, where we will only be replacing the existing sewer main and services as the water main was replaced in 2008. The fourth is on Talkington Drive between Davis Way and Meade Lane, where we will only be replacing the existing sewer main and services as the northern portion of the water main was replaced in 1982, and the southern portion of the water main was replaced in 2008. The roadway improvements that will take place on essentially the entire project limits generally consist of replacing the existing asphalt roadway, replacing the rolled curb with vertical curb, reconstructing driveway entrances, and replacing select sidewalk only where it currently exists on Crescent Drive. We will not be constructing sidewalk where it does not currently exist on this project. The existing roadway width varies throughout the project anywhere from 37 feet to 33 feet wide, measured from back of curb to back of curb. We will be reconstructing the roadway to a typical city standard roadway width of 33 feet, and therefore narrowing the roadway in most sections of the project. By replacing the existing rolled curb with vertical curb, we will need to reconstruct driveway entrances. This consists of, first, removing the existing rolled curb and constructing a curb cut or driveway transition in the new vertical curb where the driveway meets the roadway. Second, we will be constructing a new driveway ramp and wings for vehicles to ramp up out of the roadway and onto the driveway at approximately the same height as the vertical curb. Lastly, we'll be constructing a driveway matchback area to accommodate any difference in elevations between the ramp and the existing driveway and to ensure that the driveway continues to drain towards the roadway. This driveway matchback area will vary from driveway to driveway. If you have any questions regarding the changes to your driveway or access to your property, please immediately contact the city's project manager at the phone number or email highlighted here. The benefits to these improvements include replacing aged and undersized city water and sewer infrastructure, ranging from 57 to 95 years old to meet current city standards. Replacing aged and deteriorated asphalt that is no longer maintainable with a chip seal or overlay, and improving the street's overall ride quality. Improving the drainage of the roadway by reconstructing the existing curb and roadway to eliminate low spots and therefore extend the life expectancy of the pavement. Replacing defective or damaged existing sidewalk along Crescent Drive. Reducing the required maintenance with the construction of new infrastructure. Coordinating and combining the construction of multiple streets and/or projects to minimize inconveniences to the public and to reduce costs. The project team consists of Beta PR as the public relations firm, the WLB Group as the design consultant, and the City of Flagstaff as the project owner. The construction contractor will be determined after the project is bid this winter. Also seen here is each organization's project representative and their contact information. This brings our October 2020 project presentation video to an end. If you wish to receive future project information, such as updates and closures during construction, please email a request to news@coconinoestates.com. If you have questions about the project, please call our project hotline at 928-255-5153. If you wish to see additional project information, please visit our project website at www.coconinoestates.com. Thank you for joining us.